Hello guys, how to be here. Welcome back to another video, and today we will use the thermal paste to install this CPU cooler. And this is the brand new CPU cooler I got, and this approximately cost around $5, over $5. I mean $6 or $7. And I got the thermal paste, and this is the CPU, and this is third gen, very much old, and actually this is i5, so core i5. So we'll just start the installation. Before that, I will actually have to unbox the thermal paste first, and we will just proceed the method. And as you can see, I'll have to remove the tape first, and it is quite hard, so that I can just open up the thermal paste.
Should we just cut it?
Right there. So it's almost done. I think it's done, and close. Zoom. Mask में जब तक कहाँ से there's the thermal paste here, and oh my goodness. And this much will be enough for focus, and this much will be enough for the installation. And we'll just put it there, and scoop to scoop, and we'll just use this screwdriver to get everything right. একদম বরাবর। If your thermal paste and the CPU cooler is not working properly, or is there any problem, you will face some issue with the output. I mean, your display will become blur, and it will become much more hazy, and I mean, you can't be able to do any operation in your computer. So it is very much important to install the thermal paste and also the CPU cooler properly, and make sure it is working properly. So I'm tightening the screw. It's almost done, and and we'll just plug the cable, and yeah, as you can see there is called a CPU fan, so we'll just plug it into the CPU fan. And this is making troubles, I don't know. It is done almost. And yes, this was it guys. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button for more. And you all enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope see you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck and peace.